finished at a beautiful home over at Emerald Bay. We do have some areas that are exceed, 10 feet and above, having to access it with a ladder. And we bid the skylights, and we also bid some lower windows down there, which I touched on, which I didn't necessarily recommend. Unfortunately, had some laminate glass, which kind of makes things difficult for installing film on the inside. Luckily, we were able to get them to move forward with the skylight windows. We're able to get them an exterior install as opposed to the inside, make it a lot easier for them, a little bit more efficient.